Respected madam, teachers, and my dear friends. You know who am I? I am Manikarnika. I'm the great queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai. I was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi into a Maratha family. My nickname is Manu. After my marriage to Raja Durgadar Rao, the Maharaja of Jhansi in 1842, I became Lakshmi Bai. I was fond of shooting, horse riding, sword fight, etc. I brought up under the care of Nana Sahib, the son of Peshwa Baji Rao. I refused to hand over my Jhansi to British. I took my sword and faced to British army in the battleground. I laid down my life for the sake of freedom. I will not leave my Jhansi at any cost. Go British, go! Here I came, the Jhansi ki Rani. Thank you.